slam it on the ground, run it over with the truck. Still looks fine. I'm just gonna test it on the embroidery machine. Pretty amazing. Hello. I'm back again with another video. So today I'm just testing the Sewtalent Magnetic Hoop. I'm going to test my 5.1 by 5.1 hoop. That's this hoop. And so far they have been pretty amazing. I prefer to use these over the hoops that came with my machine. Slam it on the ground, run it over with the truck, and I'll bring it back in and embroider. These are the Easter baskets that are popular this year, and I'm just going to embroider on that. See if the hoop holds up to what I put it through. All right, this is the hoop. This is a 5.1 by 5.1. That's 130 millimeters. These are the magnets here, in here. All right, let's test it. Still good. Being a little neat. Let's see. Still good. There we go. I added the bracket back, and besides just the nicks from slamming it on the ground, still looks fine. I'm just gonna test it on the embroidery machine.